To add shadow to an image is simple. All you have to do is simply click on that image. For this purpose, as you can see, we already have applied this shadow to this image in our design. I'll just delete this and I'll pick a new one. So I'll add this one. I'll simply resize this design and I'll place this over here, and once I've done this, you can see that we have this shadow feature in this editor tools, and once you click on the add shadow button, you'll see that it is now activated. I'll change this color to white, and once you've done that, you can see that we have this blur feature. So as you move this around, you can see that the blur increases, and as you move this towards the left, you can see that the blur is now gone. So this is the X and Y. So the X is basically the horizontal shift. So as you can see, as we move this, you can see the X moving as we move it, and the Y is the vertical shift. So as you move this, you can see that it is moving in the image. So this is how you add a shadow to an image, and for this purpose we'll just place this where we want, and once we have done that, we'll simply click here and you'll see that we have added shadow to our image. So this was adding shadow to your image. Now if you want to add shadow in an element, we'll simply the process is the same. Click on shadow, click on add shadow, and once you've done that, you can see that it is now activated. We'll change the color again to white, and now you can see that if we increase the blur has increased with it, and we'll just remove the blur, and you can see that we have a solid shadow on our element. And you can also add this to your text, and the process is again simple. Simply add shadow, and we'll just select a more visible color. So for this, we'll just have a very nominal blur, and we can also increase the X and Y. So once you've done that, you can simply place the shadow in your text. So this was how you can add shadow to your images, to your elements, to your text.